Today I will show you how to fix sound in Audacity. When you start recording, you can see the error while opening sound device. Please check the input device settings. So what you need to do, go to your control panel. Type control panel in the search box and go to hardware and sounds. Go to your sounds and go to recordings and right click on your stereo mix and make sure it's enabled. Now test your Audacity recording. Now you can see that it starts recording without the message showing that the input device is not there. Thank you for watching my video.